All right, guys, we are on day 11 of 13. This is day 11 of the 13 days of Craft-O-Ween. This is a box made by Spellbinders Paper Crafts, and all the links are down below if they are still available. Now, I am creating craft bags for my grandchildren to give out for Halloween. So that is what I'm creating, and I will share day 11s with you here momentarily. But for now, let's dive in and actually see what I will be working with. Ooh, a haunted house. I love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, this is great. We have the background and then the front of it. We also have a bat die. So we can layer this, and that's how they get the yellow in the background, is using this die here. And then the black is coming from this die here. So that is going to be fabulous. And you know, I'm thinking, now that I'm seeing this, there's probably other dies you can mix and match with each other to create your scenes. So that's something else to be thinking about too. Are these sets are going to mix and match and play well together on your cards? So don't forget that when you're crafting. I'll have to look back because this is definitely screaming, make a scene, make a scene. And you guys know how I love my scenes, or at least the regular ones if you do. So let me play with this a little bit and I will see what comes up. Now this one is going to be a super simple one to put together for you because it's only the 3 dies. But as I'm gluing this, I realize to myself that, oh my gosh, I have the best background in my stash for this. This background was a watercolor background I had created previously, and I had stepped away for a minute, grabbed the background, cut it out with the punch, and that's why I had to add some extra glue there to the background of our haunted house. But isn't this bright, bold tag the perfect background for this eerie haunted house? I just thought with the color, that bright orangey yellow that Randy keeps using in this whole series was perfect for this brightly colored tag. So that is what I ended up doing because of the color choices in the windows and everything. I just love the way it turned out. Here's the treat bag.